Hello, this is a video on how to take apart a HP Pavilion 15-AU072SA laptop or notebook, otherwise known as product number W9V63EA, and then in the UK probably has a hash sign or a pound sign ABU on the end. On the one I've been given to repair, the CD drive screw is missing, so normally you'd need to undo the CD drive screw there and then remove the CD drive and keep that safe. Some people might think there's a screw under this little plastic tab here. There isn't. There is just another bit of plastic underneath there. There's no screw under there. What there is though that you need to watch out for is back here, somewhere in the middle, about there, under this rubber strip is a screw. There we go. Nice one there, HP with their hidden screws under little rubber pads. I think that's the only one. We'll find out soon enough. So the next thing is to undo the screws, the rest of the screws that are visible, that you can see. And again, if you've watched any of my videos, I like to keep a little map of where the screws came from, in case any of them are different sizes. You can tell where you need to put them back. Okay, so I think that's all of the screws that I can see. We've got two there, 4 along the front, and then 1 hidden under this rubber strip in the middle. Turn the machine over. And open it up. And now we need to run a spudger around all of the edges, trying to unclip and it's definitely good to do this with a thin blade or plastic spudger. If you try and do this with a screwdriver, you almost certainly will leave marks along where you try and pry it open, whereas a large blade, especially a flexible one like this, is much less likely to leave any marks. Okay, so I've gone around all the edges and they all feel like they're pretty well undone. Close the laptop again and flip it back over. And here is where we discover if there are any other hidden screws, but I'm pretty sure there aren't. Having said that, it's not coming away freely. So that is very unusual. There's something around here which seems to be holding this down. Aha! I think I just needed to be very persuasive with it. And then, gently, for the rest of it, try and wiggle the case undone. For the rest of this, if you use brute force, you may end up snapping some of the clips. So, other than this one in the middle here, I would be fairly careful and just use gentle wiggling techniques to try and loosen the case. There we go, the case is off. So yeah, the one that was clipped in and wasn't going anywhere is this clip here near the hard disk, and that must clip on somewhere, I think under the motherboard there. And there we go, there we have the inside of the laptop. So you've got the hard disk here, standard serial ATA hard disk, 2 RAM slots, one of which is on this one is used, the keyboard connector, probably the touchpad connector, cooling fan, wireless chip, backup battery, and then the main battery is here. Got the SD card reader over here, and that's probably about it. So hopefully this video has been helpful to you. If it has, it would be really helpful to me if you wouldn't mind subscribing to my YouTube channel. You don't need to have the video notifications switched on, but the subscriber numbers really do help. Thank you very much.